Hi, this is Paul from Country Craziness, and today I've got 4 things that I think you should consider before pouring your concrete floor. First of all, if you plan on putting the post in the ground, you should be using plastic sleeves or other ways to prevent the wood from touching directly onto the surface. If you don't do that and a post rots, you're going to have to take the concrete and chip around it or dig around it so you can take corrective action. I put a link to a video that shows the 5 ways that you can repair post rot. The second thing that you should consider doing is plumbing in for a bathroom. The pipe and conduit are not that expensive. Even if you don't plan on putting a bathroom in, you should future-proof it because you might decide somewhere along the line that you want to have it. The third thing that I would do is put footers any place that columns would be if you were to put in a mezzanine. Even if you're not planning it now, you don't want to have to cut concrete and put a footer in because you didn't take action to future-proof it. Because if you're going to put in a 2-post lift, put in footers around where those posts would be located.